Hello mga kamiranda, this is Coach Miranda Miner. On this video, pag-usapan po natin kano ko ba nakuha itong $100,000 na trade natin, no? 100,000 pesos pala na profit na trade natin, kamiranda. At ano ba yung ginawa ni Coach para ma-set yan? Pag-usapan natin on this video. And of course, kung meron kang tanong, huwag mo kalimutan mag-leave ng comments so I can read them. And if I have time, I can answer them mga kamiranda. Simulan na po natin ang ating quick video walkthrough. Let's do this! So ito po yung ating entry point mga kamiranda. No? So i-walkthrough ko lang kayo ng mabilis sa atin pong entry point at pinasok po natin. By the way, we're actually trading in BingX. Nag-iwan ako ng link sa baba sa description box if you would like to download your own BingX experience. Maganda po ang kanilang platform. At I want you to try it, no? So yan, so currently we are still 112,000 pesos profit. Kamiranda, ang ating pong entry point is 60,159. Mapapansin mo medyo maliit po ang aking leverage because bilang Coach Miranda, kilala nyo na po ako, I'm really using low leverage at medyo malaki po ang ating kapital, no? So Kamiranda, if you're not yet used on big capital, huwag nyo agad papasukin yan. Medyo mahirap at challenging, talagang iikot ang katawan mo dyan pag di ka marunong, especially pag hindi ito yung buong net worth mo, no? So be mindful of that. Okay, so nung pinasok po natin ito, Kamiranda, 60,159. Okay, simulan na po natin ang ating next step. What did I do, no? So Kamiranda, as usual, tayo po ay nag-naked charting, no? Simula po tayo sa 1-day time frame at sa 4 hours time frame. And from there, kinuha po natin yung mga key level resistances and support. Mapapansin mo dito, ito ay big picture consolidation, no? Big picture pero upward, big picture upward, no? Yan, big picture uptrend pa din with a little bit of consolidation within this area. Normal po yan for the market na umakyat from 15,000 to 74. Kailangan talaga niyang consolidate. At within the consolidation, you're going to see may mga patterns na usual na madaling mas makita, no? So in this particular case, habang nagko-conso siya, meron ka nakita dito na short-term downtrend at meron siyang binuong resistances. So from there, kinuha po natin yung resistance, at dito meron siyang price reaction, which means that the resistance is valid. No, so meron tayo nakitang resistance, Kamiranda, no? So dugtungin lang po natin, no, 1, 2, and here meron siyang price action, which means valid po yung resistance natin. So if you're using my system, you're going to notice that wala siyang confirmation candle, which is very, very important for TRBOs and TLSBDs, or trend resistance breakouts or trend line support breakdown, no? So in this particular case, nasa 1 hour tayo, Kamiranda. Mapapansin po natin, doon na tayo gagamit ng MACD, no? So habang umaakyat siya, pababa po yung ating buying volume. So therefore, hindi ito magiging grade B ito, no? Hindi ito grade A, Kamiranda. So from there, bumaba po tayo ng 15 minutes. Mapapansin ninyo na true enough, Kamiranda, habang umaakyat yung volume, yung price natin, yung MACD natin talagang halos mapapansin mo kung ikukumpara mo yung dalawa, no? Ito po habang umaakyat puro red yung nasa ilalim, so medyo delikado talaga yan, no? At naglagay po tayo ng price dito ng trend line. In this case, kung ito man ay bababa, merong potential support sa kanya. True enough, nagkaroon ng correction around Sunday or weekend po yan, no? Hanggang gabi, inakyat niya ulit, at nung nagkaroon na ng breakout ulit, talagang walang nangyayaring confirmation, no? Nung walang nangyaring confirmation, talagang inaantay po natin yan. This one, no? So sabi natin, mag-aantay tayo. Medyo maaga tayo nagising noong Lunes, Kamiranda, no? So Monday, nakita po natin that on this particular candle, no, meron na po siyang nakitang magandang confirmation kasi nag-reboot na po yung kanyang MACD, no? So nag-reboot na, wala na tayong left hand, umilalim na ulit, din umakyat yung MACD lines natin, nag-reboot na. And from there, on this particular candle, nagkaroon na tayo ng person break confirmation candle, nagkaroon na ng MACD confirmation, right? No, within this particular candle, mga Kamiranda, napasok na po natin, no? Within this candle dito po, sa candle na ito, lakihan po natin. In this particular candle, napasok na po natin yung 60,159 na entry point. Ayan. So, ang atin pong stop loss dyan ay nilagay po natin, no, within sa ilalim po nito yung first natin, somewhere within below this line, because this is going to act as your your support line, mga kameranda, to be very specific below your $59,000 line, this particular line. So this can be your support kasi kung mababa man ito, right? Baba ito, potentially pwedeng magkaroon pa ng bounce dyan, no? Tulad ng ginawa niya po dito, nung nagkaroon siya ng initial price impulse, talagang nagkaroon lang siya ng oras at umakyat ulit, no? So yan po yung consider natin dyan, no? And of course, yung ating running take profit, no? Sabi po natin, no, because maganda yung narrative at sabi po natin na medyo maganda yung narrative natin nung weekend, mga kameranda. Of course, ano ba nangyari nung weekend? Yung Pennsylvania rally, no? So tumuloy-tuloy na po yan paakyat. So tinaas na po natin ng tinaas. Nag-partial take profit po tayo above that price. And then eventually, yan, inantay na po natin. Sabi natin, because maganda yung ating narrative, a 618 can still be held. So, yung proseso naman ng pagte-take profit, mga kameranda, so if this is gonna be your initial entry point, pwede kang mag-partial take profit within the 382, konti, umakyat ng umakyat, and then another 0.5, and then another 618. No? So, meron tayong sariling video on how to take tranches on a separate video na yan, mga kameranda. Okay? So, karoon ng correction sa 618 only for it to go higher again. That's the reason why hinuhold natin ang ating position. Ang ating pinaka technical take profit area is going to be within this line. So, we're expecting for corrections pa para healthy yung trends natin. Iniisip natin this can potentially hit around $70,000 unless meron tayong makitang FA pero hinuhodl natin yan. Whatever happens, kameranda, ang ating pong take profit ay nakalagay na po sa ilalim nito, which is around 63,000. Medyo malalim na po, no? $63,000. Because tingin po natin, this can potentially become your good bounce point kung ito ay magre-retrace. No? Of course, habang bumababa yan, you're partially taking profit already to protect your position. Pero maganda dyan, meron ka ng stop profit above sa ilalim nito. Automatically close na yung position mo, kameranda, no? Again, itong video na ito is just a quick walkthrough. Marami pa kayong malamang na tanong. If you would like to learn more about our system, huwag kayong makalimutan mag-enroll sa ating course, kameranda. I'm going to encourage you to enroll in our course. Visit us in www.globalmirandaminor.com. Ayan. So, mabilis na walkthrough, kameranda. Intentionally, nilagyan ko ng konting kulang kasi aawayin tayo ng mga estudyante natin pag nilagay po natin lahat sa video na ito. Of course, you need to enroll. But if you've learned something, I'm sure kaya mo din ito. 100,000 is maliit for you. Or pwedeng malaki din ito because medyo malaki yung capital ni Coach. Pero, di ba, let's focus on the percent of earnings. So, paano ba yung percent of earnings na yan? So, imagine natin na ang capital natin is 20,000 pesos, no? So you're earning 51% is not bad, no, of your capital. 'Di ba? So 51% of your capital. So that's around ikaw na magkwenta, malaki na 'yan. No, you don't earn 51% just without doing anything, mga kameranda. So if I were you, aral ka na and aspire for more, and of course kung matalo man, journal lang your losses at kinig kay Coach Miranda for more information. On that note, marami pong salamat for you watching this quick video. Love you 3000, and don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and follow us for more updates. Kung may tanong, comment lang po sa baba for more questions. Salamat guys, and I love you 3000.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Kamiranda.